Thank you for signing up and joining me on my lace classes. I hope they will be informative and easy to follow. I invite you to contact me if you have any questions or comments. You can contact me by going to @bobbinlace.online on Facebook. I am here for you to answer your questions and help you get the most out of your classes. As we proceed with the course, you can see that we have filmed each topic in short sections, allowing you to repeat each topic as often as necessary, enabling you to better understand and gain knowledge in your lace making skills. This will eliminate the need to review a lengthy taping to find information on one procedure. By the end of the following session or chapter, you will learn about the terminology of lace, basic movements, the 3 key stitches, how to wind a bobbin, how to start a pattern, and pin placements. You will receive a pattern to download. You can follow along and do each step with me on the video. This pattern will enable you to practice the 3 basic stitches. When you're comfortable with the movements of these stitches, you may move on to the next class. If you have questions, I will either contact you or answer yours and other students' questions before the start of the next class, so that you can receive answers before moving on to new skills. If you're not a new student of lace making, you may join us at any time. Each pattern we make, we will learn a new technique to add to your skills. Soon you will feel confident in your ability to make beautiful lace. Now let's get started.